In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inspect element on Google Chrome. Whether you're curious about how a page is built or you're troubleshooting a layout, this quick walkthrough will help you confidently open Chrome's developer tools and make sense of what you're seeing. First, open Google Chrome and navigate to any web page you want to explore. It could be your own site, a landing page you admire, or even a simple article. You'll get the most value by choosing a page that has the elements you're interested in, like buttons, images, or forms. When the page loads, move your mouse to the exact part of the page you want to inspect. Right-click directly on that element, and from the context menu that appears, choose Inspect. This tells Chrome to open its developer tools focused precisely on the thing you clicked, saving you time. A panel will open, usually docked to the right or bottom of the window. You'll see the page's HTML in the Elements panel on the left side of that pane, and the corresponding CSS rules in the Styles area. Hovering over different HTML nodes highlights the matching regions on the page. You can view and edit HTML right here. Double-click on text or right-click a node to add, remove, or modify attributes. It's perfect for quickly testing content structure or checking whether an element has the right classes and accessibility attributes without touching the live site's code. Next, try adjusting CSS in the Styles panel. Toggle properties on and off, change values like colors, margins, and fonts, or add new declarations. Remember, these edits are temporary and exist only in your browser session. If you refresh the page, everything reverts, which makes experimentation safe. To explore responsive behavior, use the device simulation controls within DevTools. Switch to common device sizes, rotate the viewport, and observe how media queries apply. This helps you verify that layouts, touch targets, and typography scale gracefully across phones, tablets, and desktops before you ship changes. For JavaScript debugging, keep an eye on the console for errors and logs. You can inspect variables, run quick commands, and understand why interactions fail. Dig deeper with the sources view to trace code execution and watch expressions, which is invaluable when tracking down tricky bugs. Finally, review performance and network activity. The network view shows requests, response codes, and load times, which is great for spotting slow images or failing APIs. Performance insights help you see where rendering time goes, so you can prioritize fixes that make the page feel faster. That's all you need to start inspecting elements in Chrome. Practice on a few different pages, experiment safely with edits, and use the panels that match your goal, structure, style, behavior, or speed. With these tools, you'll build a sharper eye and solve front-end issues more quickly.